Yeah, are you sure about that? Look. Ow! I hit my head.
Oh, come on.
Yep, look. Hey, look, this is the thing that I hit my head with. I'm too tall. That's sad. You fall.
Oh, here.
It fits. The tool fits. The tool fit. Oh. Hey guys, speaking of bikes, check this out. Look, this is my bike right here. This Mongoose XR75. It's freaking old, so it fits.
Yeah, I checked it and it didn't fit.
Are you fucking serious?
Yes.
Why'd you call me over for?
Hold on. Just hold on.
You know what? The one thing that I think it needs is the ones that that don't have that little chingadera on it.
What kind of size does it have to be?
I don't know. We gotta figure that out. Try this size.
I think that's a little bit too small, don't you think? Yeah.
Try this size.
They're all small. They're all small. This is the only big one.
As they say on Earth, out of sight, out of mind.
Oh, it kind of fits. Dude, here's the thing. Like, look, check this out. Like, this is the thing that we're trying to use. It sucks. You need the one that, like...
This is just bull crap. What the?
Well, back to the future. Look at this guy riding his bike.
Let's do this. Let's do this.
Oh, you almost ran me over. Stop road raging. Yeah. Do that again, one more time.
I'm gonna watch that thing after.
Aaron, you said you know what kind of size it is.
I think it's a millimeter. I don't know.
What size of millimeter?
What? A millimeter. Failure.
There's a 7 millimeter. There's like an 8. There's a 10. What kind?
What do you say to me, Aaron?
Do you have a meter?
I have a 6 millimeter.
Try that.
I know exactly what it is.
Oh. See, this is...
Too small.
Fucking Christ. I think I might be a 12.
Cause this one right here, it's a big one. It's a 10 millimeter.
Try
It
it.
has to be a 9. Dude, this is the one that doesn't fit. It's too big.
Fuck, do you even have a 9?
I don't think we have a 9.
Why won't you guys have a 9?
I have no idea. This is a 7, and then there's an 8, and then there's a 9.
Then where is it?
I have no idea. These are the only ones I found.
You want to go check?
This is a -1. This is a -1.
And then it's a -9. Man, okay, let's go check, alright? Or what about that? What is that?
What?
What is that?
This is what the guy was using.
He crashed.
Back to the wall.
Show us
This was the one
the
that-
hole in the wall.
I think there is a hole in the wall. They canceled that show.
I know, right? That show was retarded.
Exactly.
See?
There was actually a
See?
show like that, like...
In
on
Mexico.
No, yeah, like in the Spanish channel, like Univision or Galivisión.
Galevisión.
Univision.
I remember El Chavo. El Chavo! Nope. Nope. I don't know. Here in North America, they freaking have like the reality one.
The dick in the wall.
Are you sure?
No, it has to be a 9 or an 8 millimeter. Yours.
Fucking
I
Christ.
should say it's It must be kind of a 9.
I said it's a 9.
Yeah, I think it's a 9.
Wanna go check? Damn it.
Oh, I'm trying to find something.
Fernanda! Angel! Fernanda!
Holy shit. Oh, now it's not for Narnia.
Aaron!
It's doing it.
Yes!
Look, my chingadero's getting tightened.
It got tightened already.
Are you shitting me? Let's see if this goddamn thing works.
Motherfucker! Needs to be tightened good. I almost got it.
God damn it.
See, look. I could... It got tightened a little. It's not that... Look, see? But it moves.
Fucking Christ. That's good. It's gonna take us like...
Hold on.
It's gonna take us 8 hours just to fix this piece of shit.
Move.
Whoa, watch it. Whoa. Watch my bike. Oh, you're gonna flip it.
Yeah. I'm gonna flip it. So.
Wait, but that's stupid.
How are you supposed to fix it that way?
I know, right? That's stupid.
Can you wait? Please.
Maybe we can WD-40 it.
This makes no sense.
He's right. What in the fuck was it? Look, that's the problem.
Here's the problem. Toaster.
All toasters toast.
Sorry?
You alright? Look at this small bike, man. I can't even sit on this piece of crap. Watch. This is sad. Oh, I can actually ride this. Adrian, sorry, but I'm gonna have to ride your bike. Look at that. I can actually sit on this.
Really?
Imagine if I like ride it and I like want to go under the canopy and then I hit my head. That would be a major fail.
That's right!
Bike inspection 101, never die.
Dude, I almost got this down. I almost put away the kickstand.
Good. I can ride this, you know.
This is illegal, you know.
I can
My own bike, Adrian.
Look, check it out. Look, show me the name of it. Hey, show me the name of it.
It's a tank.
No, it's not. Look.
It's a tank.
No, it's not. It's a tank. It's a black tank.
Tank!
Alright, Angel, give me the pump.
Fuck
Do
off.
it yourself, Adrian.
That's what he's gonna do. You want some help with that or some ketchup?
Alright, I'll flip it around back. I'll flip it back.
Wait a second. Wait. Isn't the chingadera supposed to be straight?
Fine.
Isn't the thing supposed to be straight?
Alright, I'm gonna need
Look,
your help on
look,
this.
it stays still. It doesn't go down anymore.
No, look, but isn't the thing supposed to be like straight? Like the spring? Let me hold this.
Yeah, hold it.
Aaron,
Hold it.
Left, right?
Yeah, lefty loosey. Righty tighty. You're doing it righty tighty.
Okay, hold up. Let me see.
Bike repair 101. The ghetto way to fix your bike.
That's right!
Look, he's pumping a tire like crazy. Don't pop the inner tube.
I wasn't doing anything at all. Aaron, I wasn't even plugged into this.
Fail.
I should
Alright,
say
Aaron,
it.
help me put this on.
I should say, Aaron.
Wait, you're not even torquing it. Look, this is what you're supposed to do. Look.
Aaron, do not do anything.
Why?
Because if you do anything, it's gonna fuck it up. I don't want to fuck it up already. Look. You need a 9mm. You need a 9. Because this is 7.
Oh, dude, I know why. The spring is not straight. That's why.
Spring.
Make it loose again. Make it loose again.
Hey, don't hit me with that. Don't hit me with that.
What?
Aaron,
What happened?
I want you to help me pump the bike.
Why? You can't do it yourself? Or you don't know?
Okay, guys, so check this out. I had basically took another fucking kickstand, and this was the one that was giving me such a hard ass time, especially like 4 hours while I was riding my bike home with my friends. So yeah, I went over to their place, and that's how I recorded those part of the video. No, wait, not those. That part of the video. And what I basically did was I basically took the kickstand that's on there now. It still works. It's from as you can see, there's no kickstand because that kickstand is on there, and then this kickstand can probably go on there. I don't know, but the one thing I hate about this is that, like, that is up for. So yeah, and what I basically used is this big old rusty element. Look at that. It's so rusty, but I was still able to screw in and unscrew these goddamn kickstands. So yeah, it's all good. Check it out. Look. It works, but hold on. Yeah, so it goes all the way over there, so yeah, it works, and it's the same shit as this kickstand, but it's not labeled with some type of crap. Where is it? M or something. I don't know if you can see that, but still, yeah. So this thing is like done because it has like a lot of scratches and whatnot. Yeah, this part of it is rusted and it's done. All right. So yeah, it's done. All right. This has been Bike Repair 101, and I'll see you guys later.